Mocha excavator function display. Frequency docking. Open the excavator switch first. Turn on the remote control switch again. Sound control. Left middle button controls sound switch. Driving control. Push the left stick up. Excavator moving forward. Push down. Excavator is moving backwards. Push the right joystick to the left. Excavator is turning left. Push right. Excavator turning right. Two-way lever simultaneously pushes. Control the excavator to rotate left and right. Large arm control. Right middle button controls large digging arm down. The upper right button controls the large digging arm to rise. Middle arm control. The lower left button controls the digging arm to rise and fall. Bucket control. The lower right button controls the bucket to rise and fall. Workbench control. The upper left corner button controls the work table to rotate to the left. The upper right corner button controls the work table to rotate to the right. Programming settings. Left upper button, programming action. Press again to perform the completion action. Automatic presentation operation. Intermediate button controls excavator automatic demonstration function. Skilled in applying the above techniques to make a variety of cool moves.